Hello, 7th grade geographers. Today I'm going to give you time to choose however you want to study for the Caribbean part of the map quiz. I'm going to give you some options, but I'm going to let you choose how you use your time. Before I get to that, though, I want to talk about Tuesday's quiz. Everybody listen. Monday is Grandparents' Day. So you do not have regular classes on Monday, so I won't see you till Tuesday. And on Tuesday is our quiz. So let me show you what you have to do on Tuesday, okay? You are going to go to meet.google.com, and let's pull that up. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to join a meeting, and then you're going to put in your meeting's nickname. Your meeting nickname depends on your time slot. So let's say I am Jacob M. His time slot is at 9:30. So his nickname is Popma1. If I am Devin, my nickname is Popma2. If I'm Tyler, it is Popma3. If I am Sam, it is Popma4. So you're going to find your nickname. So if I was Sam, I'd put in Popma4 and then go ahead and continue and hit join. Join now. Okay? So that should, hopefully that makes sense to you. If you panic on Friday, you can just open this up because the directions are right here. Your time slots are right here. A couple of things. On Tuesday, find a quiet place to work. Make sure you've cleared all materials and your phone is out of reach. Kind of let your family know you're taking a quiz so that you get a little bit of quiet and privacy. I will be there and I'll give you all those instructions. But that is how you're going to take Tuesday's quiz. Today, what I'd like to do is I'd like to give you some options of how to study. The first thing, I thought you could just take a little quiz. Can you list the 7 countries of Central America? See if you can do that. I've also attached a Caribbean map quiz, practice map, and I've given you kind of 4 things that maybe you could do. Okay, you could, just like yesterday, you could black highlight all of them and just see if you could go around and name them. All right, you could take them all off, get the little cross and move it and kind of just move everything off to the side and see if you can place the labels. Okay. Then I'm going to hit undo and get rid of that. So you could do that, put them all off to the side and rename them. You could find a friend to maybe make a copy of this and share it with them, do it over FaceTime, whatever. But instead of having words, you could take all of these words and change them to numbers. Just double click on them, change them to numbers, and just quiz each other back and forth and say, what's country 4? What's country 2? That would be another way that you could do it. You could list them all in order from north to south and make a crazy saying like bossy girls eat hot nacho cheese puffs, and you could do a sentence for the Caribbean. So those are some options for you. I have 4 options of things that you could do with that practice map. You could also go to Online Cetera, to the Caribbean one. Remember, you have to create a custom quiz in the upper right-hand corner and leave these checked, and you can play that game. I would encourage you, once you've created your custom quiz, to do type. You can do place the label, you could do pin, but try type. I think that one's a challenging one. Some of you noted that you did pretty well on yesterday's type quiz, but spelling was hard. Just note you will not be taken off for spelling on Friday's test. One of the biggest things, guys, that you're going to have to do as a student is understand how you take in information. How does information stick in your brain? What strategies work best for you? So as you look over this list of possibilities, which way are you going to study today? What helps you the best? Spend 15-20 minutes studying for that part of it. Then at the end, I just have some questions for you to answer. about the actual quiz. Can you name your time? Can you name your Google Meet nickname? Where in your house do you plan to take the quiz? Just starting to think about Tuesday so you don't get taken off guard. I'm going to ask you how you used your study time today. Like, what strategies did you use? And then tell me, how are you feeling about Tuesday's quiz? Are you going to have to study a little bit more over the weekend, or do you feel good? So I'm going to give you the next 25 minutes, 30 minutes to yourself of using it how you want to prepare for the Caribbean part of the MAP quiz. Answer those few questions at the bottom of the page once you're done so I can get a little feedback of how things are going. Have a great Grandparents' Day on Monday. I will see you on Tuesday, either at 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, or 12:30. Have a great weekend, Chargers. Have I told you lately how proud I am of you? I am so proud of you. I am so thankful for you. Let's nail this MAP quiz on Tuesday. Wouldn't that be fun? All right. Happy weekend.